From hobbyist to hustler, your craft could be your cash cow. Ever look at your handmade creations and think, someone would totally pay for this? Well, you're not alone. Many people have turned their passion for crafting into a profitable business. Imagine turning your love for creating into a steady stream of income. Well, you're probably right. Turning your hobby into a money-making machine might be easier than you think. With the rise of online marketplaces and social media, reaching potential customers has never been more accessible. You can showcase your unique creations to a global audience with just a few clicks. We're talking about ditching the soul-crushing 9-to-5 and becoming your own boss. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on something you love, setting your own hours, and having the freedom to be as creative as you want. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many successful crafters. That's right, folks. Today, we're diving into the wacky world of selling crafts online. From setting up your online store to marketing your products, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Whether you're into knitting, painting, jewelry making, or any other craft, there's a market out there for you. Forget slaving away for the man. With a little elbow grease and a sprinkle of internet magic, you could be raking in the dough from the comfort of your pajamas. Picture yourself sipping coffee in your cozy home, surrounded by your favorite materials, while orders pour in from customers who appreciate your talent. Intrigued? Buckle up, Buttercup, because things are about to get crafty. We'll guide you through the process of identifying your niche, pricing your products, and building a brand that stands out. Plus, we'll share tips on how to manage your time effectively and keep the creative juices flowing. So grab your glue gun, your paintbrush, or whatever tools you use, and let's turn that passion into profit. The perks of a hobby-powered business. First things first, let's talk about why you'd even want to turn your beloved hobby into a business. I mean, isn't that like ruining the fun? Not necessarily. Imagine this. Doing what you love, setting your own hours, and watching the cash roll in. Sounds pretty good, right? No more soul-crushing commutes, no more annoying coworkers, just you, your creativity, and a whole lot of profit potential. Plus, you get to be your own boss. Who wouldn't want to tell their boss where to stick it? Especially when that boss is you. Etsy, Amazon, and beyond. Where to peddle your wares online. So you've got the skills, you've got the passion, now where do you sell this amazing stuff? The internet is a vast marketplace, and finding the right platform can make all the difference. Fear not, intrepid crafter. The internet is your oyster. With so many options available, you can find the perfect spot to showcase your unique creations. First up, we've got Etsy, the online haven for all things handmade. Etsy is a community-driven platform that connects creative entrepreneurs with buyers looking for unique, handcrafted items. It's like a giant craft fair, but without the awkward small talk and questionable smells. With Etsy, you can reach a global audience and join a supportive community of fellow artisans. Then there's Amazon Handmade, the crafty cousin of the online retail giant. Amazon Handmade offers the vast reach of Amazon's customer base, giving you access to millions of potential buyers. If you're looking for a wider audience and don't mind playing by Amazon's rules, this could be your jam. The platform provides robust tools for managing your shop and fulfilling orders efficiently. And let's not forget about the power of a good old-fashioned website. Creating your own online store gives you complete control over your brand and customer experience. Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, the options are endless. These website builders offer user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates, making it easy to set up a professional-looking store without needing advanced technical skills. With your own website, you can create a unique shopping experience that reflects your brand's personality. Plus, you can integrate various tools and plugins to enhance functionality, such as payment gateways, inventory management, and marketing automation. Don't forget the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can drive traffic to your online store and help you build a loyal customer base. Share behind-the-scenes looks at your creative process, engage with your audience, and showcase your products in action. Customer engagement is key to building a successful online business. Respond to inquiries promptly, encourage reviews, and create a positive shopping experience that keeps customers coming back for more. Finally, keep an eye on your analytics. Understanding your website traffic, sales trends, and customer behavior can help you make informed decisions and optimize your online store for success. So, whether you choose Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own website, the key is to find the platform that best suits your needs and goals. Happy selling, and may your creative journey be a prosperous one. Stand out from the crafty crowd tips for Etsy and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, These tips will help you shine in the bustling world of online crafts. Here's the thing about the internet. It's a crowded place. With millions of sellers and countless products, it can be challenging to get noticed. How do you make your hand-knitted tea cozies stand out from the millions of other amazing creations out there? It's all about presentation and strategy. First impressions are everything, so invest in some high-quality photos that show off your work in all its glory. Good lighting, clear focus, and a clean background can make a world of difference. Next, write clear, concise descriptions that highlight the unique features of your products. Describe the materials, the process, and what makes your item special. This not only informs potential buyers, but also adds a personal touch. And don't forget about keywords. Keywords are crucial for search engine optimization. They help your products appear in search results. Think about what someone might type into Etsy or Google when searching for something like yours. Use specific and relevant keywords to increase your visibility. Finally, engage with your customers. Building a relationship with your buyers can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth. Respond to messages promptly, offer stellar customer service, and watch those 5-star reviews roll in. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your shop to others. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are great for showcasing your work and reaching a wider audience. Share behind-the-scenes looks, customer testimonials, and new product launches to keep your followers engaged. Pay attention to your packaging. Beautiful, thoughtful packaging can enhance the unboxing experience and make your customers feel special. It's an extra touch that can set you apart from the competition. Consider participating in local craft fairs and markets. These events are excellent opportunities to meet potential customers face-to-face, get immediate feedback, and build a local following. Utilize email marketing to keep in touch with your customers. Send out newsletters with updates, special offers, and exclusive content. This keeps your audience engaged and informed about your latest creations. Always be innovating. Keep an eye on trends and be willing to adapt. Fresh, unique products will keep your shop exciting and attract new customers. Remember, your passion and creativity are your greatest assets. Let them shine through in everything you do, and you'll not only stand out, but also build a loyal customer base that loves and supports your work. So, go ahead and put these tips into action. Stand out from the crafty crowd and watch your Etsy shop thrive. Crafty cash cows, real people, real profits, real inspiration. Need some motivation? Look no further than the countless success stories of people who turned their crafting hobbies into booming businesses. Take Alicia Schaffer, for example. She started selling bohemian-inspired clothing on Etsy as a side hustle. Fast forward a few years, and her shop, Three Bird Nest, was raking in 6 figures a month. Or how about Blue Kicks? This husband and wife duo turned their love of sneakers into a thriving business, customizing kicks with everything from glitter and rhinestones to logos and artwork. They even caught the attention of Nike and now create custom designs for the sportswear giant. Bonus side hustle. Teach your craft to the masses. Want to double down on your craftiness? Consider sharing your skills with the world. Teaching online workshops or selling tutorials can be a lucrative way to generate passive income while spreading the joy of crafting. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and Teachable make it easier than ever to create and sell online courses. Imagine you could be sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere while your crafting tutorials rake in the cash. It's the ultimate side hustle for the crafty entrepreneur. Check out the link in the description for how you can make money chatting online. Subscribe for more money-making magic. So, are you ready to ditch your day job and become a crafting superstar? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more money-making tips and tricks. We'll be exploring everything from starting a YouTube channel to launching your own product line. Don't be a stranger. Join the conversation in the comments below and let us know what kind of crafty creations you're whipping up. Is dropshipping still profitable in 2024? Speaking of online businesses, have you heard of dropshipping? It's all the rage these days, but is it too good to be true? In our next video, we'll be diving deep into the world of dropshipping, exploring its pros and cons, and answering the burning question: is dropshipping still profitable in 2024? Stay tuned to find out.